See, 6th standard, chapter 1st, basic concepts in geometry. In that, plane is our point. Look at this picture. What kind of surfaces do you see? The surfaces in the first two picture, means this and this picture, surfaces are flat. Each flat surfaces is a part of infinite surfaces. Means in this first picture, this is table and their surface is flat. In second picture, this is blackboard and their surface is also flat. In mathematics, a flat surface is called as a plane. Now see, this is a plane. The name of this plane is H. Even though we draw a suitable small figure of a plane, it actually ends infinite in all direction. Means this plane is uh, infinite in all direction. Means this direction also upward, right side and left side. Means in both direction this plane is infinitely we can increases. Arrow are drawn to show that a plane is extended infinitely in all direction. The meaning of these four arrows is we can extended this plane in infinitely in all directions. Means we can extended this plane downside also, upside also, left side also and right side also. This is the meaning of these arrows. We can extended this plane. Next is parallel lines. Parallel lines. Look at this page. Look at this page from a notebook. In this page, a part of a plane. This is page is a part of a plane. Yes, this is a plane surface. This is a part of a plane. If we extended the lines that run side away on the page, will they meet each other somewhere? If I am extended, this is my line. If I am extended this line, similarly here also my line, I am extended this line infinitely. Means here also and here also infinitely I am increasing this line. They will meet each other somewhere? No, because see, this line is going straight, this is also going straight. They cannot meet with each other. See, these are also parallel lines. See, these are also parallel lines. I am increasing this line from this side, this line also increasing, but they cannot meet with each other anywhere. Similarly,